Good morning, everyone. Today we have see on the topic large signal amplifiers. What is a small signal amplifiers and large signal amplifier? Small signal amplifier amplifies only a small signals. That means small amplitude signals. In large power amplifiers, high voltage and low current input can be amplified into high voltage and high current output. Hence, it is called a current amplifier. For large power, we are using power amplifiers, that is large signal amplifiers. The important features of large signal amplifiers are impedance matching. Second, it uses power transistor, and the power amplifiers are bulky because it uses heat sink, and then it has a less harmonic distortion. Due to nonlinear characteristics, harmonic distortion will be present on the output side. It is a measure of percentage of distortion analysis in the system can be carried out. Next, classification of power amplifiers. The power amplifiers can be classified into many types. Before going to that, the main characteristics of ideal amplifiers are linearity, signal gain, efficiency, and power output. The large signal amplifiers are used in the output stages of audio amplifier systems in order to drive the loudspeaker load. The basic classifications of the power amplifiers are Class A, Class B, Class AB, and Class C amplifiers. The second set of amplifiers used in the power amplifiers are D, E, F, G, S, and T. The most commonly used audio amplifiers are Class A, Class B, Class AB, and Class C. First, we are going to see on Class A amplifier. Class A is the best class amplifier in which low signal distortion levels are there. In Class A amplifier, it has high linearity over the other amplifiers, and it operates in the linear portion of the characteristic curve. The main configuration in the class amplifier is it uses the same transistor for both half of the output waveform, and due to this, the output transistor always has current flowing through it, even if there is no input signal. This is the circuit diagram of the Class A amplifier. In Class A, the operating point should be in the active region. In Class A amplifier, the output current conducts through full 360 degree of the output waveform. The efficiency of the Class A amplifier is around 30%, and due to low efficiency, it has overheating problems. Hence, we go for Class B amplifier. In Class B amplifier, we use complementary transistors and symmetrical transistors. In class B amplifiers, we have crossover distortion. Crossover distortion is the distortion occurred in the crossover point. In class B amplifier, only in half cycle the current can be conducted. In second half cycle, it is in the off state, which means the current can be conducted only in the one half cycle. Thank you.